Tucked away down in Glen near Kirkmichael is Spooyt Vane. This beautiful waterfall has a simple yet perfect name. Spooyt means spout in Manx, and Vane or Vane is the Manx word for white. So Spooyt Vane means white spout. And looking at this lovely white water spouting out, we can see that it's got rather an apt name. Another spout that springs to mind is Spooyt Vane down in Glen, the largest of the waterfalls found there. Mua or Vua means big in Manx, and the spout might not be the only large thing down there. If you go down to that glen, keep an eye out for the big N.